Here are the top business news today. 1. Stock market volatility and rate cut bets. U.S. stock futures are showing signs of a rebound after a steep sell-off last week. Investors are increasing their bets on a Federal Reserve interest rate cut in September following a weaker-than-expected July jobs report. This shift in sentiment is a major driver of market activity, with the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all having a mixed performance. 2. President Trump's actions on the Federal Reserve and tariffs. President Trump is making headlines with his influence on economic policy. He has fired the chief of the Bureau of Labor Statistics following a disappointing jobs report and has announced he will name a new Federal Reserve governor after a recent resignation. These actions, combined with ongoing trade tensions and the implementation of new tariffs on various countries, are creating a lot of uncertainty in the global market. 3. Global economic headwinds and trade wars. The global economy is facing significant challenges, with a trade war involving new U.S. tariffs on multiple trading partners. These tariffs are having a noticeable impact on economies worldwide, including in Canada, where the economy is showing some resilience but also cracks. India, meanwhile, continues to buy Russian oil despite pressure from the U.S., adding another layer of complexity to international trade relations. 4. Oil market dynamics and energy sector news. The oil market is experiencing volatility. Crude oil futures are falling, influenced by the weak U.S. jobs data and a significant decision by OPEC+ countries to increase oil production. This decision reverses previous supply cuts and is putting downward pressure on prices. Additionally, major energy companies like Chevron are making headlines with strategic overhauls and mergers. 5. Corporate earnings and company-specific news. Companies are continuing to release their Q2 earnings reports, which are providing key insights into the health of the economy. While some companies have beaten expectations, there are also signs of a slowdown. For example, Amazon stock fell sharply despite a beat on earnings, as its Amazon Web Services, AWS, growth rate lagged competitors. Meanwhile, Boeing workers have gone on strike, which is a major development for the aerospace and defense sectors.